Hi, this is Sandeep. This is day 2. Today I will discuss my negative feedback loop. I did not know before, but very recently I discovered that I am running by a program that very dangerous, and it may kill me some near days, and I identified that. I'll tell what is this in this video. Our nervous system get information from two ways. One is from subconscious and other from five senses. The information get from five senses. For example, that if I goes in a jungle, I saw a tiger, then my nervous system capture that event and feel fear, and I might run to save myself. Another way our nervous system run by a subconscious belief system, or maybe it I say that subconscious programming or code. Our childhood upbringing, how we upbringing by our parents, our relatives, that store in our subconscious mind as a belief. In my story, I lost my mother at my age of 5. My father busy at his work, and he did not give me care, time, love. So in short, I was totally ignored by my parents' love. A child need love as much as need is oxygen. Love is his emotional need. If he did not get from childhood all type of negativity capture him. So it happened to me. As I said, I did not get love from my parents. I feel totally unsafe. I feel that they did not love me. I am useless. Why I am here? Then I hide myself. I feel shame. I feel guilt. I feel anger toward myself, and maybe it project towards others. So my child brain develop life as a survival. And it constantly developing. Still now it's developed by negative spiral loop. What I mean that negative spiral loop, if you know what is RS system in brain, the reticular activating system, our brain has a mechanism that constantly filter what we think. On purpose. What is mean by that? If I like a red car and I buy it, after buying my red car, I will see all types of red car in the road. Previously, I was not seen by me. So My child brain reticular activating system always scanning the thread that I think always in my mind, the blame, the guilt, the same, and my brain wired that way. As I grow, as I become adult, I want to do something in this world. I start businesses, I lost. Then again I start businesses, I lost. I did not understand what is happening. I work very hard, but what's going on, it's my programming level in my subconscious. I did not understand. My nervous system always get in flight and flight mode. If I remember my past, I will see that every event I spend, I only scanning those negativity. What will bad happen? How it will not work? It did not happen. I blaming myself. I blaming businesses. I blaming other people. My brain only think about negativity. Only think what it cannot happen. And my brain totally blind to opportunities. It can't see opportunity because it's where that way. It's where by survival mode, by blaming, by feeling guilty, by shame. So, and very soon I realized that this is a bug in my subconscious that my nervous system always identified with, and my body is always tense, and I feel very awkward in every situation and feel negativity. I remember a quote by Carl Jung: until you make the unconscious conscious, it will direct your life and you call it fate. Once I read this quote, I very much aware of my this programming, this negative spiral loop. I know that how much I work hard, how much I work, I'll not successful until be aware and reprogram this belief, reprogram negative scanning to positive scanning. I want to be a state that my RAS mechanism only scan for positive thinking, only scan for opportunities, not the negativity. So I start building, reprogramming myself and directing my nervous system to positive and not by negative. My subconscious belief, my hypnotic loop is sad that I am in danger, and my nervous system always captured that, and I feel in my body that I am in always danger, I am always in stress. First, I reprogram myself, my subconscious to that I am safe. At the end of the day, I journaling myself that what I did that not goes into negative way, that is positive, that is good. Constantly fill my account by positivity, and constantly I telling myself that I am safe to be seen, I am safe to be rise, I am safe to be lead, I am safe to be powerful. By reinforcing this belief continuously, 24/7. I get some result, but it not happen in one day. It takes time. And being aware, that Kalyung said, being aware is a 50% done game. And I already done that. Previously I did not understand what was going on. So this is big reward to me, that I know what was happening in my unconscious level. So thank you.